Feeling like spring across South Texas as our weather pattern has changed over the weekend and today. Right now we've got 69 degrees. We couldn't come even close to that last week. Southeasterly winds are strong again out of the spring direction. That's 25 miles per hour from the southeast. The visibilities are bringing in sea fog. It's dropping to 7 miles along the coast right now, and the visibility forecast does show some sea fog entering the picture here around 10 o'clock tonight and staying with us through 8 in the morning. Again, it's not going to be terrible, but it will be noticeable. It'll be worse when the winds lay tomorrow night and the following night, but the winds will keep the air stirred up a little bit tonight, so these values won't be too bad, but they will be noticeable. Our evening forecast, we drop down to about 66 around 11 o'clock to midnight tonight, and then hold at that level with a moderate southeasterly breeze coming in off the bay and the Gulf through 6 in the morning. So satellite and radar shows clear skies now, but as this front gets closer, it draws more low-level moisture in from the Gulf, and that'll cloud us up overnight, and there'll be a lot more clouds around not only tomorrow but the rest of this week, because this front's going to come in, run into southwesterly winds aloft, stall, and then dissipate, and that's going to take a while for that to happen. So there won't be a big lift to the atmosphere because it's a weak front as opposed to a strong front, so we're going to get a little bit of rain, but not much. Take a look, clouds and rain forecast, more clouds than rain tomorrow. Again, just a stray shower around in the morning, isolated through the afternoon and evening, and then we pick it up a little bit by 4:30 in the morning on Wednesday, but not by much. Again, if you're expecting a lot of rain out of this, you're going to be disappointed. It's certainly not a big weather event, although we will have a lot of cloud cover. The rainfall then going through Thursday at 10 o'clock shows the green area here. That's less than a ½ inch, and that means all the way down to nothing. So again, don't expect a lot or you'll be disappointed. And again, you'll feel like you were cheated out of rainfall. Southeasterly winds are breezy now, will stay up overnight and during the day tomorrow. They start to relax around 5 p.m. That's when we'll pick up a few showers. They turn northeasterly as that front sits in here by Wednesday morning. And then look what happens. They lighten up here by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon. Marine forecast, small craft advisories are in effect. 4 to 6 foot seas tomorrow, slightly choppy to choppy bay waters, but the winds stay out of the southeast. 60s will rule the region for lows tonight and unseasonably mild compared to what we've had and what's normal. 77 here tomorrow. In fact, 70s over the entire area in spite of the cloud cover. And here's why. A northwesterly flow has turned southwesterly, and that's giving us this mild Pacific flow. And that's why we're seeing the cloud cover increase, and that's why we're seeing the temperatures much warmer, but only isolated showers with highs in the 70s to near 80 degrees between now and Friday. Lows 59 there is about as low as we go on Thursday morning. Otherwise, it's going to be in the 60s over the next 7 days. The next shot at cooling down will be here on Monday night of next week.